Hello and welcome to Success Seeker, and hope you all are doing well and you all are fit and fine. Today I will be doing with you wbcs previous year question from the year 1999 to 2020 from the chapter Agriculture from Geography. So let's start. Number 1. Yield per hectare for rice in 1992 to 93 was recorded to be highest in option A Punjab, option B West Bengal, option C Kerala, and option D Maharashtra. Here the answer will be option A. And since here it is asking for 1992 to 93, but from the recent data 2020, here also yield per hectare Punjab is at the topmost, number 1, and number 2 is in Andhra Pradesh, and number 3 is in Telangana. And for rice, if you consider the total production for 2020-21, it is around 120 million tons, and rice is production in the world. India is in second place after China. And for West Bengal, if you consider the production, it is around 16 million tons. And in production, if you see, West Bengal is in number 1, and number 2 is Uttar Pradesh, and number 3 is Punjab. And for wheat, if you consider, the largest production is in Uttar Pradesh, and number 2 is Madhya Pradesh, and number 3 is Punjab. And similarly for onion production, if you consider, number 1 is in Maharashtra, and number 2 Madhya Pradesh, and number 3 Karnataka, as per the recent data. So these were the information for rice, wheat and onion, which will be important or beneficial for your examinations. Next question, number 2. The Green Revolution in agriculture has made the Indian farmers dependent on option A machines, option B fertilizers and pesticides, option C indigenous farming knowledge, and option D availability micronutrients. The answer will be option B fertilizers and pesticides. As you must be aware of the Green Revolution in your country, which took place around 1960s for high yielding variety seeds, which was started by MS Swaminathan. And if you consider worldwide, Norman Borlaug was the father of Green Revolution. So these were the information for Green Revolution. Next question, number 3. Which one of the following states of India is the leading producer of sugarcane? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Tamil Nadu. And option D, Maharashtra. Here the answer will be for leading producer of sugarcane. Here the answer will be Uttar Pradesh, UP. And sugarcane, if you consider for India total production in 2020, it was around 370 million tons, and around 65% of the population indulges in the sugarcane activities, and it covers around 5 million hectares areas of the production which are placed for sugar cane, and it is around 2.57% of the total area which are used for the cultivation of sugar cane. And if you consider the ascending order, or number 1, the highest production is for Uttar Pradesh, number 2 is in Maharashtra, and number 3 is Tamil Nadu. And if you consider the export, it is around 38 lakh tons of sugar which was exported in 2018-19. And for worldwide, if you consider sugarcane, number 1 is Brazil, and number 2 is of course our India. Next question, number 4. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about option A 45, option B 65, option C 35, and option D 25. Here the answer will be 48%, that is irrigated land, 48.8, which is around 49%. I have given it 49%. In 2019, if you consider, irrigated land is around 48.8% of 140 million hectares of agricultural land in India, and remaining 51.2% is rain-fed. That is, it depends on the rainfall or monsoon for the crops to grow. Next question, number 5. The number of drought-prone districts of peninsular India is option A 40, option B 45, option C 50, and option D 55. And the answer will be 67%. And it is for the peninsular India, which is mostly drought prone, and it is around 133 districts of India. If you consider whole of India, every year they are drought prone. Number 6. The state which leads in the area under tank irrigation. Option A Tamil Nadu, option B West Bengal, option C Odisha, and option D Andhra Pradesh. And the answer will be option A Tamil Nadu. Next question, number 7. The HYV, that is high yielding varieties miracle rice, is raised only on option A 10%, option B 11%, option C 12%, and option D 10.2% of India's paddy land. The answer will be option A 10%. Next question, number 8. Which one of the following is the largest irrigation project of India? Option A Damodar Valley Project, option B Bhakra Nangal Project, option C Nagarjuna Project, and option D Rihand project. Here the answer will be option B, Bhakranangal project, and it opened around 1960, and it is a concrete gravity dam, and it is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Actually, Bhakra and Nangal are the two dams which are connected. Bhakra is in Himachal Pradesh and Nangal is in Punjab, and it is on Satluj river. And also Gobind Sagar reservoir, that is third largest reservoir of India, is attached to this dam. Next question number 9. Where in India are grapes grown on commercial scale? Option A, Parvati Valley. Option B, Tista Valley. Option C, Andhra Plateau. And option D, Rar Plain. The answer will be option C, Andhra Plateau. And for Nasik, or Nasik is called the grape city of India, and for production Maharashtra ranks 1, and for worldwide China is the most or number 1 in production for grapes, and India's rank is 7th. And Parvati Valley, it is in Himachal Pradesh. Next question number 10. The present cereal production of India is around dash million tons. Option A 16, option B 18, option C 20, and option D 22. Here the answer will be 282. Actually, none of the answer here is correct. Answer will be 282 million tons, that is in 2021, and India is the second largest producer of cereals, and Karnataka ranks first for the production of coarse cereals. Next question number 11. Calicos stood for Indian. Option A, indigo. Option B, cotton. Option C, spices. And option D, textile. The answer is option B, cotton. And Calicos, it is from Calicut. Now it is called Kerala. Number 12. Which of the following area is famous for pearl fishing? Option A, Tuticorin. Option B, Kandala. Option C, Kochi. And option D, Pondicherry. Here the answer will be option A, Tuticorin, and it is in Tamil Nadu. Next question number 13. Rice is by far the most important crop of West Bengal, covering about option A 50% of net cultivated area, option B 35% of net cultivated area, option C 60% of net cultivated area, and option D 65% of net cultivated area. And the answer will be option A, 50% of net cultivated area. And rice in West Bengal has 3 varieties or 3 seasonal varieties, that is Oz, Amon and Boru. And Oz and Amon are the Kharif crops, which covers around 70% of the total production. And in West Bengal, rice production covers around 15% of the total India's production. In West Bengal, 18 districts mainly produces rice, and 4 districts have a high production. They are Bardhaman, Birbhum, Nadia and Hooghly. Next question, number 14. Pineapple is grown on an extensive scale at option A, Terai Plain, option B, Shillong Plateau, option C, Tripura Highland and option D, Uttaranchal. The answer will be option A, Terai Plain. And for pineapple, India is 5th largest and India's total production is around 8.2% or 8% of total worldwide production, and it produces around 14.6 million tons. Next question, number 15. Which of the following states grow sugarcane as a major crop? Option A, Bihar, option B, Rajasthan, option C, Uttar Pradesh and option D, Punjab. The answer will be C, Uttar Pradesh. Next question, number 16. Dash are the second major source of irrigation in India. Option A, wells, option B, canals, option C, tanks and option D, oceans. The answer will be option B, canals. And the important source of irrigation, if you consider, first is tube wells, which is around 45% of the total irrigation in India. Second is canal irrigation, it is around 26%, and wells, it is third, it is around 19%, and others are 7%, and last is the tank, that is around 3%. Next question, number 17. Which is not true about proportion of area under following categories? Option A, marginal farms decreased. Option B, large farms decreased. Option C, small farm increased. And option D, medium farms decreased. The answer will be option A, marginal farms decreased. This is not true, since marginal farms have increased. Marginal farmers, it is around 76.5% in 2018-19, and it holds 34.5% of the total land of India. Next question, number 18. In India, food grains occupy dash of the total cropped area. Option A, 76%, option B, 65%, option C, 80%, and option D, 85%. Answer will be option B, 65%. And in India, total food grains produced is around 320 million tons according to recent data, and it covers around 129 million hectares of land. Next question, number 19. Average size of operational holdings in India is option A, less than 2 hectares, option B, 2 to 4 hectares, option C, 3 to 5 hectares, and option D, 4 to 5 hectares. Answer will be option A, less than 2 hectares. Next question, number 20. Consumption of chemical fertilizer is the highest in option A, Punjab, option B, Andhra Pradesh, option C, Assam, and option D, Gujarat. The answer will be option A, Punjab. Next question, number 21. Forest Research Institute of India is located at option A, Jorhat, option B, Bangalore, option C, Dehradun, and option D, Allahabad. The answer will be option C, Dehradun. Next question, number 22. Cotton in India grows based on option A lateritic soil, option B alluvial soil, option C black soil, and option D terai. The answer will be option C black soil, and it is in Deccan regions of India. Number 23. Which of the following states grow sugarcane as a major crop? Option A Bihar, option B Rajasthan, option C Uttar Pradesh, and option D Punjab. And the answer is Uttar Pradesh, as we have already covered previously. Next question number 24. Where is saffron cultivated in India? Option A Doon Valley, option B Chambal Valley, option C Karwa Terrace, and option D Duars Plain. Answer is option C Karwa Terrace, and it is in Kashmir valleys. Next question number 25. The most ideal region for the cultivation of cotton in India is option A Brahmaputra Valley, option B Indo-Gangetic Plain, option C Deccan Trap region, and option D Rann of Kutch. Answer will be option C Deccan Trap region. Next, number 26. Which of the following raw materials for the manufacturing of paper is used in large quantity in India? Option A Salayut, option B Sabai grass, option C cotton rags, and option D bamboo. Yeah, the answer will be option B Sabai grass. Next question number 27. Which of the following parts of India produces nearly 3/4 of the total quantity of tea? Option A Northern India, option B South India, option C Northeast India, and option D Northwest India. Answer will be option A Northern India. And according to recent data, India is second in the world for the tea production, and it produces around 1400 million kgs. And according to recent, that is 2021, West Bengal is the highest producer, that is around 25 million kgs per year. Option B, number 2 is Assam, which produces around 20 million tons, and it keeps on changes the position of Assam and West Bengal. That is for first and second. Next question number 28. From Anthracia assamensis, the type of silk obtained is option A Tashar, option B Muga, option C Eri, and option D Mulberry silk. Answer will be option B Muga. Next question number 29. Jute is concentrated in Bengal basin due to option A abundant supply of power and labor, option B ideal climate and relating facilities, option C good road and water transport, option D historical momentum. Answer will be option B ideal climate and relating facilities. Next question number 30. Jute is mainly grown in option A Tamil Nadu, option B West Bengal, option C Kerala, and option D Himachal Pradesh. The answer will be option B West Bengal. Next question number 31. Cotton production is highest in the state of option A Maharashtra, option B Gujarat, option C Andhra Pradesh, and option D Punjab. The answer will be option A Maharashtra. Next, number 32. Sugarcane production is highest in the state of option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Maharashtra, option C Tamil Nadu, and option D Andhra Pradesh. The answer will be option A, Uttar Pradesh. This also we have discussed previously. Next question number 33. Green Revolution was confined to option A, rice in West Bengal, option B, Gujarat in Maharashtra, option C, wheat in Punjab and Haryana, and option D, oil seeds in Andhra Pradesh. Answer will be option C, wheat in Punjab and Haryana. Next question number 34. Social forestry scheme promotes option A, planting of eucalyptus, option B, planting of firewood yielding trees, option C, selling of forest produce, and option D, all of the above. Here the answer will be D, all of the above. Next number 35. Dry farming is possible because of option A, utilization of groundwater potential, option B, introduction of quick maturing and resistant varieties of millets, option C, improvement in technology, and option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. And dry farming refers to the crop production during a dry season, utilizing the residual moisture in the soil from the rainy season, usually in a region that receives around 230 millimeter or more annual rainfall. And for mixed farming, it is the rearing of animals and cultivation of crops together. It is called mixed farming. Next question number 36. Which one of the following states in India has highest percentage of tank irrigation? Option A, Tamil Nadu, option B, West Bengal, option C, Kerala, and option D, Karnataka. Answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. And tank irrigation production or tank irrigation is mostly prevalent in first is Tamil Nadu, second is Andhra Pradesh, and third is in Odisha. And UP has large number of tube wells. That is the last process of irrigation that you use is tube wells. Next question number 37. The largest area under wasteland in India is in option A, Uttar Pradesh, option B, Madhya Pradesh, option C, Rajasthan, and option D, Gujarat. Here the answer is option C, Rajasthan. And wasteland is a non-productive area which is mostly in Rajasthan, followed by Madhya Pradesh, followed by Maharashtra. And 90 million hectares of land in India is considered as wasteland. Next question number 38. Nagaland mountains are becoming increasingly barren mountains, mainly due to option A, insurgency, option B, shifting cultivation, option C, urbanization, and option D, rapid population growth. The answer is option B, shifting cultivation. And shifting cultivation is also called as jhum in northeast region. Next question number 39. Shifting cultivation is not practiced in which of the following states? Option A, Assam, option B, West Bengal, option C, Odisha, and option D, Andhra Pradesh. And the answer will be option B, West Bengal. Here it is not practiced. It is practiced mainly in northeast. And the process is slash and burn. It is derived from Siberian region, and actually no data is available for the total percentage or total areas where the shifting cultivation is practiced in India. Next question number 40. Which one of the following crop witnessed the maximum rate of increase of production due to green revolution in India? Option A wheat, option B rice, option C oil seeds, and option D maize. Answer is option A wheat. And if you consider for maize, Andhra Pradesh is the maximum producer of maize, followed by Karnataka and followed by Rajasthan. And India produces around 31.9 million tons of maize. Next question, number 41. In terms of value of agricultural production, the most important cash crop in India is option A cotton, option B oil seeds, option C sugarcane, and option D tobacco. Answer is option C sugarcane. And for cotton, the maximum production is done in Maharashtra, followed by Gujarat, followed by Telangana. And for oil seeds, Gujarat is the largest producer and India is first in production of oil seeds. And UP is the sugar bowl of India, and UP is also the largest producer of sugarcane, but Maharashtra has the largest amount of mills for sugar production. Next question, number 42. Highest tobacco producing state in India. Option A Bihar, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Uttar Pradesh, and option D Tamil Nadu. The answer will be option B Andhra Pradesh. And India produces around 750 million kg of tobacco annually. And in production, Andhra Pradesh is the maximum producer, followed by Karnataka, followed by Gujarat, and followed by Uttar Pradesh. And West Bengal is in the rank of 7th, and it produces around 1% of the total production. And for the worldwide, China is first in production, followed by India in second number position. Next question, number 43. Which region is called the Granary of South India? Option A Madras, option B Tanjavur, option C Kanyakumari, and option D Coromandel Coast. The answer will be option B, Tanjavur. And it is also called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. It was ruled by mainly Cholas. Next question. No, this was the last question for agriculture part, which were asked in the previous year question of wbcs. So this was the information which was related with the questions which I have discussed with you, and which will be very beneficial for you. I hope so. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly subscribe my video for supporting me, and kindly watch the full video to take the full benefit of the video. Thank you.